guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm still your health partner, pharmacist Chinedu. So if you are a female and you are sexually active, or you're a female when it is to get sexually active soon, I feel today's topic is something that would interest you. So I urge you to grab your popcorn and a seat while I do the explanations. Have you ever wondered why some people still get pregnant even after using emergency contraceptives like your post-natal, your post-pill, and your plan B? Okay, that's what I'm going to be explaining. Timing is king when it comes to emergency contraceptives. So the way your emergency contraceptives work is that it delays ovulation. So if you take your emergency contraceptives when you're already ovulating, chances are that it might not work for you. Delay in taking your pills, your plan B, your post-natal, your post-pill, all of them work within a 72 hours window. But the trick about it is this: taking it sooner than 72 hours is usually much more effective. So we urge that you always take your emergency contraceptives within that 72 hours window. That is the only way it would work for you. Recent research has found out that people who have BMI greater than 30, the emergency contraceptive is less effective in them. I don't know why this happens, but that is what research is saying. So if you have a BMI greater than 30, start working on your weight so that your emergency contraceptive can't work for you when you use them. Having multiple unprotected sex. So for example, now if you had sex on Monday and you took an emergency contraceptive pill immediately after you had sex on Monday and you had on last sex on Thursday, the truth of the matter is this: the emergency contraceptives that you used on Monday will not protect you against having pregnancy for the sex you had on Thursday. So in as much as you took on Monday, you still need to take on Thursday to protect you. And finally, there are some medications that you cannot use alongside your emergency contraceptive pills. Medications like some antibiotics and anti-epileptics. So thank you for watching. It's a wrap on today's topic. So if you found this informative, please like, share amongst your friends who would also need this information. I'll see you in my next video.